interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Hamilton County, last seen on April 3rd, 21, on Marble Ridge Lane in the city of Mason. The suspect is believed to be driving a red 2015 Toyota Prius with license plate JIY7198, John Indigo Young 7198 from the state of Ohio. The child's name is Zava Armstrong, 5 months old, biracial female, 12 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect is Christian Jackson. Suspect is a black male, 24 years old, black hair, brown eyes, 5 feet 8 inches, 145 pounds. Please call 1-877-AMBER, Ohio, or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. It's 1-877-262-3764. This concludes the emergency alert system message.